Okay, there are a lot of AI tools out there that you can use for free to generate really specific images from a prompt. Of course, the better your prompt, the better the image. Just for the purpose of this little recording, I'm using the same prompt here across a couple of different platforms so that you can see the difference in the outputs. This is just CoPilot, so you can see the image is quite realistic, and with time, Copilot has got better at generating features like facial features and hands, fingers, that kind of stuff. Once upon a time, those things weren't so great, but they can see in Copilot that looks pretty good. Google has something called Google Labs, and they have Google Image FX, they've got Whisk, they've got video generators and music generators that you can access for free. You just log in with your Google account to use these ones. So you can see here it generates 4 realistic images, and then you can choose the best one that you like. And the great thing about Google Image FX is, well, I think they're super realistic, which is nice. But you can add details. So you can say, actually, I want it to be like cartoony, or you can say, make it look like a black and white photograph, or you can say, make it look like whatever, and it will edit it for you. So let's see if it can make it cartoony. There you go. And then I can go, oh, I really don't like that. Just go back to what it was. And Google Image FX images, I find, are really easy to generate. You can copy them really easily, add them to your PowerPoints if you want to use them in tutorials or in lecture notes or whatever. Very helpful when you want a specific image and you simply can't find it, or maybe you can find it, but it's not appropriate for you to use that image. So that's really helpful to play around with Google Image FX and see how you go if it's fit for your purpose. Another tool you can use is Adobe Firefly. So you just sign in with your JCU information. There you go, I've got the same prompt and you can see it's generated the realistic image again. Another example is DALL-E 3. So DALL-E 3 is the OpenAI version of an image generator, and it will direct you to access it through ChatGPT. So if you click, you'll end up here. There you go. I've put the same prompt in over here, and you can see it's generated the image again. Another one you can use is Perplexity. So same prompt. There you go, it's generated the image. Again, really photorealistic. I think that's really nice. And then if you're looking to generate some images, but maybe you don't want them to be these kinds of images, maybe you're looking for like mind maps, flow diagrams, that kind of thing, then you might want to check out Napkin. So Napkin AI, you can put text in yourself. I'll show you what I mean. So you can either import your file, start with a blank napkin where you actually type in your information, or you can draft it with AI and it will write it for you. So let's just go. Whoopsie. Oh, sorry. Okay, there you go. I've given it a prompt and it's just going to start writing. Okay, so you can see it writes some information pretty quickly, and then you can go through and check to see if, yeah, that's appropriate or not. Is that what you're looking for? Is it actually correct? But the beauty of Napkin is, once it's finished, there we go. I'll just scroll up and say if I wanted to generate an image that summarizes this context, this text, or maybe this text or whatever, or the barriers, I can just highlight that, click the little lightning, and it will give me some options. Okay, so it will put it into different types of diagrams. So then you can pick which one suits your needs. Did you want it to be more of a brainstorming, a mind map, a process? You can see there's lots and lots of options here. So napkins are really helpful if you're looking for interesting ways to display your text.